Ever feel like you're on a hamster wheel, constantly chasing new customers while the old ones seem to slip away? You're not alone. Many businesses grapple with the challenge of customer retention. But fear not, because today we dive into some foolproof strategies to keep your customers coming back for more. First off, understand the value of a loyal customer. It's easy to get caught up in the thrill of acquiring new customers. But did you know that it costs 5 times as much to attract a new customer than to keep an existing one? That's right. Customer retention should be at the heart of your business strategy. Step 1. Deliver exceptional customer service. This may sound like a no-brainer, but it's often overlooked. Exceptional service doesn't just mean being polite. It means going above and beyond to exceed customer expectations. Remember, a happy customer is a repeat customer. Step 2. Implement a customer loyalty program. Reward your customers for their loyalty. This can be as simple as a point system or as elaborate as personalized perks. Make your customers feel special, and they'll keep coming back. Step 3. Seek customer feedback and act on it. Customers like to know that their opinion matters. Regularly ask for feedback and make visible changes based on it. This shows your customers that you value their input and are committed to improving. Step 4. Stay in touch. Regular communication keeps your business at the top of your customers' minds. But remember, there's a fine line between staying in touch and spamming. Make your communication meaningful and valuable. Step 5. Personalize your service. Customers are not just numbers. They're individuals with unique needs and preferences. Tailoring your service to each customer makes them feel valued and understood. To sum up, customer retention is not a one-off task. It's a continuous effort that requires a deep understanding of your customers' needs and expectations. Deliver exceptional customer service, implement a customer loyalty program, seek and act on customer feedback, stay in touch, and personalize your service. Remember, a business that focuses on customer retention is a business that thrives. So invest in your existing customers and watch your business grow. Because in the end, it's not just about making a sale, it's about building a relationship. And relationships, my friends, are the bedrock of any successful business.